to my YouTube channel. My name is Thandi from the VIJVER, originally from Zimbabwe and living in South Africa, Slow Town. Hope you guys are well. I'm also very well on this gloomy day in South Africa. It's raining, it's cloudy, winter's still around. We're supposed to be in spring now, but then we still get these gloomy days. Anyway, we need to appreciate all the seasons. We need the rain as well. We haven't had a lot of rain this year, so I guess we need the rain at the end of the day. Anyway, guys, hope you well. Come with me. I just want to drive and just run some errands. Come with me. For the new subscribers, you're welcome. To the returning subscribers, I appreciate you. I do not take you for granted. Let us grow this channel together. Road to 200 subscribers. We can do it, guys. We can do it. We can do it. Please share with your family and friends. Like and comment on my videos. I love you guys. Appreciate you. Yeah, come with me. Let's drive. Look at the weather. Look outside. Woo! The dunes, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that mist on the dunes there. Coming to this German shop here. Okay. Hello, morning. Hello, how are you? Good. I'm looking for mine. I don't see it. Maybe I must ask. Oh, there. I'm looking for this. Look at this, guys. I drink this Namu powder. It's a natural herb. It's natural for natural herbs. I drink that. Actually, you can drink it, but I eat mine with yogurt every morning. It's very good. It's got cinnamon, cloves, ginger, turmeric, cayenne pepper, all in one. Very good. I drink it. I eat it every morning with my plain yogurt, but you can drink it with water, warm water, or put it in your tea, whatever. But it's very good. This is a German shop. They've got lots of lovely products here. So yeah, so I came here to just get that. Okay, let's go and pay. Let's go and pay. Okay. Alright. Here it is. Hello. Let me just get two. Let me just get two once while I'm here. I'm buying these two for my parents. I'll send it to them. Sorry, what that cancer herb? What does it do?
It's got lots of benefits.
If somebody's already got cancer, can it help?
No, that's not for. It's just called cancer. It's just a cancer bush.
All right.
So it helps with a lot of if you got bladder infection and stuff like that.
Oh.
So it's just a good health tea to drink. It's not for cancer.
All right. Okay, I see. All right.
So
cool.
It's $1.96. Thank you.
There's two. Hey guys. Sorry, I'm on my video. I hope you don't mind.
No problem. You're making a vlog.
Yes.
Okay. For YouTube.
For YouTube, yes. Yeah. Thank you so much. Oops. Thank you. Bye. Okay, guys. Let's go. That's done. Now we're gonna go put fuel. Now we're gonna go to the garage and put fuel because the fuel price went down last night. So let's go to fill up at the garage. Hey, fuel prices are expensive, eh? In South Africa, fuel is expensive. So now it went down last night. Let me go fill up. Save for my car. I'll save about 40-50 rand, which is a lot. You know, 40-50 rand. I can buy something with it, and it really helps. It really helps. So okay, guys, let's go. Okay, let's go, guys.
Okay, you save your...
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you, my dear.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Very much.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Safe drive.
Thanks.
Enjoy nice weather.
Thanks. Yeah, it's nice, eh?
Yeah.
What do I got? Let me go out that side, rather. This is Knysna. Knysna in South Africa. I finished all that I was coming to do here, so now I'm heading home. Now I'm heading home. This is Knysna. This is the waterfront on the left. I've shown you this before. I've shown you the waterfront before. So this is the Knysna waterfront. This is the Knysna waterfront. So now we come here. Let's come and fill up here. Let's fill up here at this Astron garage. They used to be Caltex, now they're Astron. Mkhona njani? Mkhona. Eh? Ngicela ukuthi ungifakele umfilele automatic stop here. Amavira right, maybe just the oil namanzi.
Okay, sifaka i-petrol.
Yeah, unleaded. Yabonga. No, I'm just telling him. He's just asking what do I use, fuel or petrol or diesel. and he's asking if the oil and water is good. So I said yes, the oil and water is all. You can check the oil and water for me. But my tires are good. You see, this is Astron, beautiful colors. It's beautiful colors. Hello. It was former Caltex garage. So now it's Astron. You see the beautiful colors that they have, bright colors. But it's still the same owners from what I hear. It's still the same owners. I think they just changed the branding and the name. They just changed the branding and the name. I come to this garage because I get cash back from my bank when I fill up in this garage. So I always use this garage. Yeah. You see guys, I filled up with 900, just under 1,000. I filled my car just under 1,000, which is 44 liters. Usually I pay over 1,000 something to fill up my car, so it's a big.
Can you unlock?
Okay. It's a big save for me. It's a big save for everybody actually. It's a big save. Thanks to the government for the card. The card, yeah. Thanks to the government for the petrol price going down. Money saved. Money in our pockets. Just pay. Okay, right, okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Let's pay. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Now and thanks so much. Thank you. All right, guys. All done. Now we head home. Now we head home. You have to appreciate, guys, every little thing. I know it's not much to other people. The 50 rand maybe it's not much to other people, but to me It's a lot, because I can do something with that 50 rand and appreciate it, because there's somebody out there who doesn't even have that 50 rand to even buy bread. So every little thing, we need to appreciate it. We need to appreciate the gift of life. We need to appreciate everything. We count our blessings. We count our blessings every time, because it's not because we're clever. It's not because I'm clever or I'm whatever. It's just the grace from God, you know. Because now it's raining out there, and I'm sitting in the car, and somebody's walking because they don't have a choice. So that's why I'm always grateful for every little thing that I have. I'm always grateful, because I think of other people, my heart breaks, you know, especially now in winter. Other people got no homes even, you know. They sleep on the streets, you know. So we always have to have a grateful heart, you know. Count our blessings every day. Okay, guys. All right. So, what's happening here? There's an accident. Shame. There's an accident. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this, guys. Shame, man. And the driver, looks like the driver is okay there. He's standing out there. Oh, thank God. Thank God he's saved. Oh my God. You know, you see, guys, what I've been talking about, that we have to have a grateful heart. That man left home today, left his kids, coming to work, didn't know that this was going to happen to him, you know. Didn't know that he was going to be involved in an accident. So that's why you have to pray before you wake up. Pray and command your day. Command your day. Pray about everything, you know. Before you leave home, pray. After work, when you get home, thank God for his protection. Because look at this poor man there. It could have been worse. Thank God he's not hurt. But you see, the car is lying on the side. It could have been a fatal accident, but God spared his life. You know, there's a reason why God spared his life, you see. So that's why we have to be grateful. We have to be grateful all the time. Yeah, life is too short. Life is too short. Alright, guys, thank you so much for coming with me. Now I'm going home. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my videos. We're on the road to 200 subscribers, guys. Let's grow this channel together. I love you guys. Love you. Appreciate you. May God bless you.